Running a business without a tax strategy is like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You'll end up with a hot mess. You'll waste ingredients. Let's be honest, it probably won't taste good. That is why I'm hosting a free 3-day tax saving workshop. I'll show you how to save on taxes like a pro, just like the Fortune 500 companies do. Over the next 3 days, I'll teach you how to turn everyday expenses into tax write-offs so you can keep more dough in your pocket. You'll learn how to use tax laws to your advantage like the top 1%. You'll learn how to pick the perfect business entity to set your foundation right. You'll learn how to shield yourself and your business from the IRS. The workshop kicks off soon. Click the link below to grab your spot. Space is limited. As a tax strategist, I could charge a hefty fee for this knowledge, but instead, for less than the price of a candy bar, I am offering you a backstage pass to the tax tricks that the Fortune 500 companies use, and it's absolutely free. You're clever, so I know you'll understand the value of this training and what it can do for you. Join me and you will uncover tax secrets that could cut your tax bill by thousands. The small time investment in this training is teeny compared to the potential savings. If wealth building is your goal, this free training should be at the top of your list. Click the link below to join our 3-day tax savings workshop and learn how to keep more cash in your pocket.